Hi teachers, it's Melissa and I have a great resource to share with you. It's called Brisk Teaching. Let's jump right in and find out how we can use this to save time and to create resources for our classroom. So you'll start by going to briskteaching.com. Here you can see you'll want to add this as an extension in Chrome for free. This is free for teachers. There are premium features, but I haven't found that those are needed. Once you're at the website, we'll choose the AI tools and all 30 plus tools. A quick scroll through will show you all the options you have available, but I want to show you how within seconds you can create a presentation for a mini lesson, for a review lesson, or even as something you want to put in one of your centers or stations. So once you've chosen presentation, it calls up a slides presentation. And here is where the magic happens. You're able to go through several different options, choose the language, the template. You can even select the standards for your state, your subject, add those in, choose your grade, the number of slides, and whether or not you want images. In this description, I'm going to type in, for example, correcting run-on sentences. And let's see what we get for a generated presentation. From there, I'll click Brisket, and let's just watch as within seconds, this creates a presentation that you can use in your classroom if you needed to have a reteach, if you just don't have the curriculum materials that you need. Now, what I love about this is that you're able to go in and make changes. You can edit anything on these slides. Maybe there's particular language that your district uses to teach run-on sentences, how to correct a run-on sentence. Maybe you don't care for the graphic that was used. But within seconds, you have a presentation that at least gives you something to start with or to work with. And I find that a lot of times trying to create presentations, I'm choosing the theme, I'm trying to get the title centered. This just does all that for you, and you're able to go in and tweak it to suit your classroom style, your teaching style, or to use it exactly as is. Once the generator is complete, this window pops up. You're able to add in either more slides, you could add in a quiz, several different options that I'll let you take a look at. But I just wanted to go through and show you some of the slides. It gives the title. Again, you can change this. You can add graphics, take out the theme, replace it with something else. I would caution you to go through and make sure that the information is accurate. I've created several presentations and haven't found any mistakes yet, but you'll want to go in and make sure that the information is accurate. So once you've checked this and made it a presentation that you're satisfied with, you'll simply give it a title and you're ready to go. It's that quick and that easy. It's just a huge time saver, and I'm so excited that I've found this and I'm able to share it with you. Once you've added the Chrome extension, you'll see that I have the button here, the icon again at the bottom. Let me show you what you can do with that as an extension. Let's say, for example, that I have a website I want to use. Just sticking with the run-on sentences theme, here's a website that I have. I want to make an information page or sort of a reference page for my students based on this website. So I'm on the website. I'm going to click on the Brisk icon, and it gives me my option at the bottom. I'm clicking on that, and I'm able to create whatever resource I want using the information on this web page. Let's go ahead and just do a resource. Let's say I wanted this for a reference page for my students. I'm able to choose the standards, the grade, again, that I want it to be a resource. I hit Brisket, and it pulls up a document, and it completes the information from the web page, puts it into a reference for your students. How fabulous is that? I just love this and can't wait to try out several different things with it. Once it is finished generating, it's finished its work, you'll have the option to make it shorter, longer, less detail. You can really fine-tune it for your learners. I'm going back to the website, and now I want to choose another option. Let me say I want to choose a quiz. Again, I can select my options, the number of questions, the type of questions, click Next, and let's say I want to just do this in a new Google Doc. I'll click there, Brisket, and it's just within seconds generating a very basic quiz that at least gives you something to start with. It does allow you to use and create a quiz in Google Forms, but for just demonstration purposes, it wanted me to sign in, and so I wanted to make this a quicker video rather than longer. All right, so that is the Brisk Teaching website with all of the features. I really encourage you to go through and just see what instructional materials you can create literally in seconds. If you have questions and need help using the generator, feel free to message me. If you've used Brisk and you have some new ideas that would help all of us, share those and I will share it out with the group.